Welcome back to ASP NET SQL Academy, your destination to learn web development the right way. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you are enjoying the HTML Mastery series. You are watching part 6 of the HTML Mastery series, Forms and Input Elements. Forms are how users interact with the websites. Let us explore how to create them the right way. In this session, we will learn how to create forms using the form tag, work with various input types like text, email, and checkboxes, and organize them using labels and buttons. This video is for HTML learners, UI enthusiasts, or anyone who wants to collect user data effectively using HTML forms. Let us dive into the code and build forms step by step. Practical, hands-on learning is the best way to understand how HTML forms really work. Forms allow users to enter data that gets sent to a server. The form element wraps all input elements. Inside it, you can use inputs, drop downs, text areas, and buttons to create interactive forms. Here is a simple form with a text input and a submit button. The action attribute specifies where the form data goes. The method can be get or post depending on how you want to send data. The input tag supports many types. Use type equal text for basic input, email for validating email, password for masked text, and checkbox or radio for options. The name attribute gives the input a label for the server to read. The value sets the default input value. Together, they help identify and pass user input to the server. For longer input, use text area. You can set the number of rows and columns and add default text inside. It is great for comments or messages. The select tag creates a drop-down list. Use option to list choices. The value is what gets sent when a user selects an option. Buttons help users submit or reset form data. Use type equals submit to send the form or type is equal to reset to clear all fields. Let us review some key attributes. Action tells the form where to send data. Method define how. Name helps identify the input. Value sets default or submitted data. Try creating this simple registration form. It includes text inputs, a drop down, and a submit button. Notice how each input uses the name attribute to pass data. Here is the summary of what we learned. These form elements and attributes are essential for collecting and submitting user input in web apps. In the text video, we will cover HTML form validation. You will learn how to make fields required and add simple checks using HTML5 attributes. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to ASP NET and SQL Academy, and turn on notifications to follow the full HTML Mastery series.